time to make tallarín saltado. I am using filet mignon and I have cut them in thin slices. I'm seasoning the beef with some salt and pepper. Next, you're going to add your garlic paste. And yes, I know I should be using a spoon, but what the heck, I'm using the fingers. And of course, it wasn't coming out, so we're just gonna switch to the other hand to use our fingers. Make sure that you really mix this very well, and yeah, who cares? I mean, I'm cooking for my family. I'm not cooking for a restaurant. Don't forget to add a little bit of cumin, and let's get ready to fry this beef. Some oil, make sure it's really nice and hot. I'm using a cast iron to fry my beef. I love using a cast iron, especially for this kind of recipe, because you want that beef to be seared on both sides. There's something about cooking with a cast iron. I just feel like it gives your beef or whatever you cook in a cast iron a different flavor. Once it's seared on both sides, you're going to take that beef and set aside. Add more oil to your frying pan, and I use a 3/4 of a big onion. You want to cut this onion in thick pieces. Now here comes the important ingredient. This is ají amarillo from Peru, and you can actually get this in your supermarket, especially if you have like an international supermarket in your area. I use 2 of those peppers and I slice them and remove the seeds. Make sure that you remove the seeds. Now bring back the beef into this mixture. Add some white vinegar to your mixture and then follow it with some soy sauce. I always use a low sodium. I just don't want my stuff to be salty. Don't forget your oyster sauce. I don't know how much I put, guys. Maybe a tablespoon. Just play with that. Probably a tablespoon. You can always add more. Followed by 2 medium-sized tomatoes that I have cut into slices. Next, don't forget your green onion, or some people call it scallions. I don't even know how many slices. I just chop away. Just make it look all pretty, guys. Add 3/4 cup of water into this mixture. But now that I think about it, I should have used some beef broth. I think it would have given a different flavor. Still delicious, but yeah, next time beef broth, Annabelle, beef broth. I've already previously boiled some spaghetti. Don't mind the mess. I know. You know, it's spaghetti. Come on now. Mix this very well. Make sure that you get all that mixture, all that sauce into your spaghetti until it starts turning into like a light brown color. By the way, by now, your kitchen's going to start smelling really good. Just saying. I had more pasta left over, so yeah, of course we're going to add it because we're probably going to have leftovers. We always love leftovers. Make sure that you mix this very well. Like I said, that it gives it that brown consistency look. I tasted one of the pastas and I felt like it needed a little bit more soy sauce. Always be careful with the soy sauce because it tends to be salty. This is why I only use low sodium. Remember, you can always add, but then if you overdo it at the beginning, then you can't remove it and your dish is going to be salty. To give it a final touch, you're going to chop some cilantro and throw that in your dish. You can always add a little bit more because you want it to look all pretty, but it also gives it a yummy flavor. Once you have this all very well stirred, make sure that you taste your pasta because it might need a little bit more salt or it might need a little bit more soy sauce. And there you have it, tallarín saltado. So yummy. Enjoy.